Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut bloody knife on a dress to impress. Okay, let's get started. Here I have joined dress to impress, as you can see. And then first of all, I'm going to grab the knife on this area. So you just need to follow where I go here. Go to this area, and then you can click on the knife. Okay, and now I'm holding the knife and I'm going to change the toggle to hike. Okay, like this. And if we want to add bloody effect to this knife, we're going to apply pattern. So we can go to the pattern menu here, and then you can go to the second preview of this knife, and I recommend you to choose this pattern, so you will add bloody effect to the knife. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get bloody knife on a dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.